Reishi mushrooms are known for their healing medicinal properties. They have been used in Chinese medicine for centuries. In fact, their health benefits are so great that they are sometimes called the mushroom of immortality. The Latin name for reishi mushrooms is Guanoderma lucidum. In Asia, they are called lingzhi or lingqi. Reishis are reputed to have a vast array of health benefits, which include improving brain and liver function, regulating sugar for diabetics, helping with sleep, and as an adjunct cancer therapy. But I want to talk about what the four main benefits of reishi mushrooms have been for me. By the way, please hit the like button if you're enjoying this video. It'll really help my videos with the YouTube algorithm so that others can find them. And hit the subscribe button if you'd like to learn more about mushrooms. Many people associate reishi with Asia, and the true Guanoderma lucidum species of the reishi mushroom does mostly grow there. But here in North America we have a very closely related mushroom that has also been used for its healing properties. This version of the reishi mushroom goes by the Latin name Guanoderma tsugai. In the New England states, this mushroom is called the hemlock reishi. They are quite common in the northeast US and grow most frequently on hemlock trees. Like all reishis, they are pretty mushrooms with a deep orange growth toward the center and white edges. They have a shiny surface that looks like it has been lacquered. When the sun shines on it, this mushroom is like a piece of art. I'll talk more later about harvesting and using hemlock reishis. But for now, here are what I consider to be the top 4 health benefits of reishi mushrooms. The first reason I take reishi is that they've been shown to help with the immune system. Reishi has the amazing ability to help stimulate production of immune cells in people who are immunocompromised, and they can help reduce immune system function in people who have an autoimmune disorder related to an overly active immune system. Reishis have actually been shown in scientific studies to act as an immune regulator. The beauty of this is that they adapt and give your body the signals that it needs. Myself, I will increase the amount of reishi mushroom powder that I take when I am feeling sick. And I find that it often does help if I'm getting a cold or just want to plow through that blah run down feeling. The second reason why I take reishi is for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Reishis contain powerful antioxidant compounds. Increased oxidation results in aging, and the antioxidant compounds in reishis can help slow down the aging process. If you have a lot of aches and pains, the anti-inflammatory compounds in reishi mushrooms will help. Note that inflammation is also associated with Alzheimer's and some cancers. The anti-inflammatory compounds in reishi mushrooms will help there too. The third main benefit of reishi mushrooms and why I take them is their anti-anxiety and anti-depression effects. Cancer patients often get depressed and experience anxiety. Reishis are actually used as a therapy to help patients through the anxiety of this difficult condition and to put them into a better mind frame for healing. In addition, studies have shown that reishis may actually have cancer-fighting properties. The fourth important benefit of reishis for me is that they help me to sleep. The same anti-anxiety and anti-depression compounds in reishi mushrooms can help you to get a better night's sleep. I find that when I take reishi daily, I sleep deeply and I feel more rested when I get up. So how do you take reishi? You can buy reishi extract powders, and this is a great way to take your reishi. Just add a tablespoon of reishi extract powder to your morning coffee, tea, or smoothie, and you are good to go. Best of all, the extract powder is concentrated, which means that you get more of the beneficial compounds per tablespoon of reishi extract powder than you would from a tablespoon of the fresh mushroom. In fact, the proportion is often as high as 50-1. And it can be even higher. Some reishi mushroom extract powders also contain powder from other beneficial mushrooms, like cordyceps, chaga, and lion's mane. These combination powders are a great way to get the benefits of multiple mushrooms at the same time. One important thing to keep in mind is that just because some reishi is good, doesn't mean that more reishi is better. Side effects of too much reishi include dryness of the mouth and throat. Some people have also reported dizziness, rashes, and stomach upset. Reishi may also interact with blood pressure medication. People with low blood pressure or diabetes have been shown to be more susceptible to side effects when consuming reishi, so be sure to check with your doctor before taking any reishi supplements if you have these conditions. Reishi also has blood-thinning properties, which can cause issues if you are taking any blood-thinning medications. If none of these conditions apply to you, then start with a half tablespoon of reishi extract powder, and after a few days, move up to a tablespoon. A tablespoon is plenty to get the beneficial effects. I put Amazon links to several of my favorite reishi extracts in the description section below. Take a look in the description section and order some today. The last thing I want to talk about is how to find and harvest reishi yourself. If you live in a forested area of North America or Europe, you may be able to find and harvest hemlock reishis in the summer or fall. They are quite common, and as their name would indicate, they grow mainly on hemlock trees. Never pick any mushroom in the wild unless you are with an experienced forager. Hemlock reishis have the distinctive reishi appearance and are hard to mistake, but the consequences of picking the wrong mushroom are severe. If you'd like to find some other experienced mushroom foragers, I recommend checking the website of the North American Mycological Organization. They are an organization of people who like to learn about wild mushrooms, and they have chapters across North America. There you will find plenty of people with experience identifying and picking wild mushrooms. I've put a link for the website in the description below. So that's an overview of the health benefits of the reishi mushroom. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. It really helps me with the YouTube algorithm so that my videos reach more people. I post videos about mushrooms regularly, so subscribe to my channel if you'd like to learn more about mushrooms. Happy hunting!